Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. Now this video is a little different from the usual videos that I generally make, which is a makeup tutorial or a fashion hack or something like that. This is going to be a little different, as you already know from the title of the video. So this is going to be a little knowledge based video. Before starting it, I want to mention a few things. The things that I am going to say today, whatever I am going to speak out to you or try to spread knowledge with you, this is all basically done on the basis of the research that I did, which is not just the Google, because everything on Google is not true. I have went through various books, I have spoke to people who are into this industry and who know things well. So whatever I am going to speak is based on a knowledgeable source and not just a random Google search that I am going to put out here. No. Whatever I am going to say, I am completely responsible for that, and I understand what kind of effects it is going to have out there. I'm just trying to share knowledge and spread it with you guys so that it becomes easy for you to understand what kind of products you're using and what's going behind those products, how are they made, what are the ingredients and all those stuff. So if you want me to make more such videos, you should just drop it in the comment section, because then I would know that you want to actually understand the product that you're using and you want to understand why it is doing what it is doing to your skin or something like that. So I am thinking of adding one video every week on one particular subject, like taking one particular ingredient and how it acts differently, what are the things that are positive about it, negative about it. And definitely, if you want to know about anything, you can drop that also in the comment section below. So I'm thinking of adding one such video every week. Like I generally do 2 videos a week, but I'm thinking of adding this one extra video, not compensating one of the initial videos, because I want to put out the makeup content because I love it. But at the same time, now when I'm getting into all those things, I'm getting into skincare, I'm getting into makeup, I am understanding that it takes so much. It really takes so much to make one product. So also, since there is so much duplicacy going on in this market nowadays, I want you to be sure about what you are using on your skin, what you are using on your lips, because when you apply something on your lips, when you apply something on your eyes, it is going inside. So you have to be sure what you're using is safe. So I'm thinking of just adding one more video, sharing more knowledge, doing more research. So that way, that would help me also, and at the same time it will help you guys also, but only if you are interested. So if this video gets a nice response, I will definitely start adding more such videos. Now, without me just blabbering so much, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. I will tell you where all this started. This is going to be a little story time, and I have my notes with me, like all the research work, because obviously I cannot, remember everything. So quite a lot of research has gone behind this video. So I'll start where it all began. I got this L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. I put a review about it, and then I saw at the same time there were so many YouTubers who were, putting reviews about it, telling you how it is performing and everything. But then I realized that there is so much going on about it. Like when I read the comment section, not mine, obviously, I did not get any hate comment or anything, but I saw so many people getting comments on their videos where people were saying that this is not a good product because it has alcohol in it, and alcohol is not good for your skin, and all the YouTubers are just faking their reviews and all those stuff. So that was something that really triggered me, because when you say all the YouTubers, all the influencers, because obviously I understand there were so many YouTubers putting out their review at the same time. I understand the brand wanted a collaboration with the YouTubers. They wanted to launch the product that way. Not launch, actually, it was an old product in the market. It was in the market, but they wanted to spread that word out of L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. That is why they got this campaign where they wanted the YouTubers to give out the reviews all at once at the same time. So that was the brand's call, but the people started speculating so many things that the YouTubers, the influencers, the beauty YouTubers, they don't think about anything. They just want money, they just want collaborations. So they are giving out fake reviews, which I being a YouTuber, I know my channel is very small. Maybe I don't know how many people this video is going to reach, but I really wanted to do my bit, and I really wanted to stand out for the YouTubers. So as I was saying, I saw a lot of people, sending those hate comments and generalizing those things that YouTubers just want collaborations and money, and whatever reviews they are giving are not true, which is not true. Because I myself, I used that product and I really like that product. Now the major concern of the people here was that it has alcohol in it, and that is why it is not good for your skin. Okay, alcohol is not good for your skin. That's all. I mean, how do you decide that? You have so many myths roaming around. So I thought I will just make a video where I explain what alcohol is and how does it work with your skin, how does it work with different products, why do people use alcohol in the making of the product, and why is it on the ingredient list. Because if alcohol is not good for the skin, why are skincare companies using alcohol in their products? So this is what this video is going to be all about. And okay, starting with what is an alcohol. So if I speak on the basis of the chemistry, alcohol is an organic compound which has a hydroxyl group, that's an OH group, attached to a carbon atom. So I will put one diagram of one alcohol here. Now, why are these used in the ingredients? It helps those active ingredients penetrate into your skin, but at the same time, it does disturb your skin barrier, that is the dermis layer on your skin. It does disturb that to penetrate those products into your skin. So if it is used in huge concentration, it is definitely going to have bad results. So it is important that it is used in proper concentration to make it work for your skin tone. Now, since we are talking about this drying alcohols, I would like to mention one specific type of alcohol that is known as benzyl alcohol. Now this is considered as an allergen, but it is a really important product in those natural ingredients. So the brands that have everything natural, this has best compatibility. Your benzyl alcohol has best compatibility with all those natural alcohols, so that your oil and water doesn't get separated, and your product doesn't break out and you feel like the product is bad. No. This is what helps them keep together, tie them up. So it has best compatibility with it. And at the same time, it also helps those organic ingredients stay bacteria free. So it is a really important product if used in proper concentration, proper quantity, along with proper combination. So I must say this is a very, very, very important product in all those natural ingredients. But if you belong to a sensitive skin type family, it is important that you do a patch test before using any product that has benzyl alcohol. So make sure you do a patch test. Okay, coming to the moisturizing alcohols. Now these type of alcohols are obtained from the fatty acids obtained from palm oil and coconut oil, all those stuff. So this is where those ingredients come from. And why are these ingredients important? Because they emulsify your product. Now what do you mean by emulsifying your product? Again, as I mentioned earlier, it is important to make sure that the oil and the water that's present in your product really melt into each other and they don't get separated. So that is why the emulsion of the product is important, which these moisturizing type of alcohols do. These products also help in emulating your products. That means giving that soft, smooth finish to your skin. You might feel that certain products, when you use it, gives you very soft and smooth skin, very supple, plump skin. That is because of this presence of this alcohol, which helps in giving moisture to your skin, and at the same time make sure that the moisture stays into your skin. So this kind of alcohol is really important for the people with dry skin family. it helps keeps your natural lipid barriers on place so that your skin doesn't feel dry, and you know, all those moisturizing and everything effects that you have in your skin stays inside. And now specifically talking about L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence, Crystal Micro Essence, I would use my notes for that, so please don't mind me looking into them. So it has butylene glycol, which is an alcohol. Okay, I will put the ingredients list here on the screen so you can see that, and I will tell you how does this work. So basically, your butylene glycol is moisturizing and is also a great solvent. And as I said, this ingredient, it being a great solvent, it helps that product penetrate the other active ingredients that it has into your skin, and it also helps keep your product extremely lightweight. That is why your L'Oreal Revitalist is so lightweight and watery texture, because it has glycol in it. Summarizing the whole thing down, I will tell you, alcohol is a very important product of any, very important ingredient of any product, because it is what is going to give the texture that it has. Like if it is creamy texture or if it is lightweight, the texture is going to depend on the presence of alcohol, and it decides how it is going to behave with your skin. As I said, if it has drying alcohols in it, it is going to behave differently with different skin types. If it has moisturizing alcohols in it, it is again going to behave differently with different skin types. Along with that, presence of any form of alcohol does not tell everything about the product. Please make sure that just because alcohol is present in it, you think that the product is not good. Sorry, that's not how it works, because there are so many things that goes into it. There are so many other ingredients that goes into it. So having that proper combination is very important. It is not important that if that micro essence is good for me, it is also going to be good for you. It is also going to be good for somebody else. No, that is not how it works. See, if I talk about micro essence, it has ingredients which are drying, but at the same time it also has ingredients which are moisturizing. So if it is drying, if it is disturbing your barrier, at the same time they have added on some moisturizing alcohols also, which helps the moisture stay into your skin. So that is why they have tried to compensate everything and come out with this product. But again, it is not important that if it is working good for me, it has to work good for you. No, every skin type is different, and also the combination that you are using is very important. Like you are using Crystal Micro Essence with what kind of moisturizer? What are you using before it? What are you using after it? That also plays a very important role. So don't just think that if you're using a product with an alcohol, it is bad for your skin. No, it is very simple. Just understand the product. If the product, when you're applying it, if it is giving you a drying effect, if your skin is feeling dry and itchy, just don't use that product. It is not for you. But at the same time, if you're applying that product and you are feeling good, I mean, although it has alcohol, but you're still feeling good and your skin is feeling good, everything is nice, alcohol is not bad. So having that proper combination is very important. So I would say that this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence is good for me. I am using it for quite some time now, and it is really nice, and it is working just fine. But for you, you have to decide for yourself. Don't hesitate just because a product has alcohol in it. Please do not hesitate like that. Don't grab wrong knowledge around you. Make sure whatever you are understanding, whatever you are thinking, just check the fact once before making your opinions. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And please let me know whether you want more such kind of content by liking this video. If this video gets good like and good response, I'll understand that you guys want more such videos, so I'll make more such videos. Until then, take care. Tada!